Big breaking news coming in on the Durgapur gang rape case. The Bengal governor is set to meet the survivor in Durgapur. While the BJP stages a protest against the Mamata government and slams the liberal ecosystem silence, the governor is now set to meet the victim of the Durgapur gang rape case. The BJP in the meantime has slammed Mamata's victim blaming. Rajesh Saha is live with me on this story. Rajesh, it is a shocking situation that we are seeing in West Bengal. The medical student was gang raped. Now the governor, of course, is saying they will go meet the victim. Statements have been made by Mamata Banerjee as well, which the BJP is now lashing out against. What more are you picking up? What is happening on the ground?
Absolutely, Anisha. Right now we are getting information from the sources in Raj Bhavan that West Bengal Governor C.V. Anand Bose is coming to Durgapur to meet the victim lady, and after meeting the victim lady, he will also meet the father of the survivor. As per the sources, governor will be visiting the hospital where the medical student was studying. And he will, after reaching the hospital, he will meet the patient, meet the victim, because she is currently admitted at the private hospital. And after meeting her, he will talk to the father of the survivor, and following which Bengal Governor C.V. Anand Bose will speak to us. And leader of opposition Shubhendu Adhikari has also met the father of the survivor, and after meeting the survivor's father, Shubhendu Adhikari has said that they are not feeling safe in Bengal, and the father of the survivor has said that he will take her daughter to Odisha again for further career, because they are not willing to grow her future in here Bengal, because he is not feeling safe Bengal for his daughter. And the father of the survivor has also said that he will take her daughter to Odisha for further treatment, because they are contacting with the Bhubaneswar AIIMS for the further treatment after getting released from here in the Durgapur hospital, after which she will be taken back to Bhubaneswar AIIMS for further treatment. And right now BJP is staging protest in front of Durgapur subdivisional court, and they are protesting against the brutal incident. They are protesting against the Bengal police, but Bengal police is clearly saying
Rajesh,
that all
stay on with me. Let's take a look at what the survivor's father has said. Rajesh Saha spoke to the father of the victim just a few minutes ago. Let's listen in.
By the father of survivor,
हमारा तबीयत ठीक नहीं है बाबू। हम वो तो देखिए, वो तो लड़की का दर्द नहीं समझेगा।
एक मिनट, कीट से कोई ऑफर मिला है?
कुछ ऑफर नहीं चाहिए मेरे को न्याय दीजिए।
बंगाल सरकार की ओर से किसी ने कांटेक्ट किया आपसे?
हम जल्दी उड़ीसा निकल जाएंगे, यहाँ से हम नहीं रहेंगे।
सर, आप उड़ीसा चले जाएंगे क्या?
हाँ,
बेटी को लेकर?
हाँ, हमारा यहाँ से कुछ भरोसा नहीं है। मेरा लड़की का लाइफ बर्बाद कर दिया।
किसी के ऊपर भरोसा नहीं है?
नहीं, किसी को ऊपर।
अब वो बेटी को लेकर उड़ीसा चले जाएंगे?
हाँ।
सर, बंगाल गवर्नमेंट की ओर से किसी ने कांटेक्ट किया आपसे?
कुछ नहीं किया।
सर, ममता बनर्जी कह रहे हैं कि रात को महिला लोग निकलना नहीं चाहिए।
आप देखिए अगर आप देखिए, आपका तो माँ बहन है, शाम को दर्जा मार के घर के अंदर में रहना चाहिए, और क्या।
पुलिस जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन अभी तक कर रहे हैं, इसके ऊपर क्या आप खुश हैं?
देखेंगे क्या करता है उसको, तो उसका पर
4 जनों को अभी तक गिरफ्तार किया है। सर, जो क्लासमेट के बारे में आप बोल रहे हैं, जिनके खिलाफ आपका आरोप है, उसको अभी तक अरेस्ट नहीं किया है। कौन है वो क्लासमेट? कौन पुलिस का इन्वेस्टिगेशन में आप खुश हैं? पुलिस का इन्वेस्टिगेशन